Welcome back, guys. In this section we are going to work on the shows CRUD operation. So once we got the theater approval from the admin, we will get the status as approved and we'll have the shows button enabled. So right now here you can see John is the normal user who is having the theaters, so you want to upload his theater in this portal, Shame Movies portal, so other users can book the shows in his theaters. So now if I click on the shows, I'm not getting anything, so we need to write the logic for that. So as I said, we have two different options to adjust these shows. So you can have these in a separate window, or else you can have it as a model pop-up. That's up to you. So I'm going to choose the model pop-up process. So let me open the, what I can say, pages, profile, theater form, theaters list, and here I'm going to have a new folder I'm going to create, shows, okay, and here I'm going to keep it as index.js, rfce shows. Perfect. Now first of all, this should be a model pop-up, model. So here I am going to write open shows model, set show open shows model. Perfect. And if you come to this model, title shows open is equal to open shows model, on cancel set open shows model. Perfect. And set show ws. So once this is opened, we'll also get the theater in the prop. So to understand which theater shows are these, first I am going to write h1 dot text primary dot text what I can say, excel or text excel, theater dot name, theater is equal to something, yeah, so that's fine. So go to the theaters list. So once you click on these shows, I'm going to write, okay, first we need to have that state variables here. After these theaters, const open shows model, and obviously selected theater will be there. On click, not this, yeah. So here I'm just writing set open shows model true, and then set selected theater record. Perfect. And here just write if open shows model is true, just write shows here and pass open shows model, set open shows model, theater. Perfect. Now let's see. Awesome. So here you can see, once I click on these shows, I got this theater Victor Mahal. So I can increase the width. I'll go to the shows, okay, this should be text primary, and width I am going to keep it 800 or 1000. Yes, so this should be uppercase, perfect. And we don't need this title, shows empty string, perfect, theater Vector Mahal, okay. And text md is enough, I think. This is fine. Yeah, so I'll put one HR after this. Put one HR, not this admin. Yeah, HR is okay, and this is also okay. Footer I'm going to keep it null. So footer null. Yes, perfect. So we got the theater vector mahal. So now we need to display the shows table. Okay, so this is somewhat complex. First we need to have the view. Const view is equal to I can say list or else table. First one is table view. Table view, here also table. That means first we need to show the table shows list, which is nothing but the table. Okay, so here dot flex dot justify end, I'm going to have button variant outline add show. So I'm going to make this set view type, set view add, set view add, or else you can also call it as the form. Done. Perfect. So button is okay. Nice. Let's see. So here you can see I got this add show. So let me have some padding, mt1. Yeah, add show. So here I'm going to write one more h1 dot text md shows, or else add show text md uppercase. This is the title and this should be items center. Okay, it should be here actually. So instead of justify end, make it justify between. Make it justify between. Okay, shows add show. This is fine. And even for this text also I'm going to write some mb1. Yes, it's perfect. Now I will have the columns. Okay, const columns is equal to, first I could have write the API, but let's continue with the UI first. First one is show name is not required, just date and time is required, or else if you want to keep the show name you can keep it name, then date, time, and then you need to have the movie. So first we need to select the movie also, which movie you are running in this time. Data index movie, and then ticket price, and then seats, or else total seats, and then available seats, and then action is not required here, or else let's keep the action empty for the time being. Yeah, okay, these are the columns. Now const shows initially it is empty. Okay, then I'm going to write here, I'll just write if view is equal to table, entity table, columns is equal to columns, data source is equal to data source. Perfect. Yes, so right now we got the table, but it is empty. Okay, so what I can do means this is the div, right? MT1, and I will also write MB1. Yeah, and also width we can increase to 1400. Yeah, let's see if it is affecting anything on the mobile. Only the grid is affecting these rows. We can adjust this later, the mobile face. Okay, yeah, so shows are working properly. Theater, shows, show name, and all these things are okay. So once we are done with the shows model and shows endpoints, we can have the data here. So in the next lecture we are going to have the shows form, then we will build the APIs. Thank you.